Hey people, it's Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets ChatGPT to see how much money we can make, you know what I mean, to try to figure that out. Now the reason we promoting the $25 business in particular, or home business academy, whichever way you want to call it, is because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. Alright guys, that's the reason we're promoting this, guys. So if you guys are interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, first and foremost, we're gonna refresh the page and make sure, see if we got a sale. Looks like we didn't get a sale, but we're gonna see. Refresh. Okay guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. It's totally fine, it's totally okay, because we're just starting back up, so it takes a minute to get to this. Alright, so what we're gonna do is use a link here. We're gonna get you your links here. This is the one I use here. You can try any link that you want. This is the one that works best for me, I think. I tried this link, didn't seem to work for me. We're gonna try this link. We're gonna stick to the link that I know works. See how many sales we can get. Alright, so guys, the first thing you want to do is click on links in the description there. You're gonna see the description, then the links like step 1, step 2. Click on step 1, it's gonna take you to this page here. It's all about the all-in-one $25 business. Sales letter talks about what it is, what it does. It's a funnel builder, $25 per month. It's a pretty good funnel builder, so actually a pretty good deal. You get $20 at $25, which is really cool. And there's also another product in there that's $125. You get $100 so you can get $120 off each person. And that's the thing, that's the reason why we want to promote this product, guys. The affiliate program is atrociously good, you know what I mean? So we're gonna go and click in, decide to try this out. Right, you just put in basic information, get this product here. Now one thing I want to show you guys is this right here. If you use my link, you can get the premium for 14 days for free. This is just training on how to promote these products and get a lot of sales with them. On Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, whatever. Personally, I would use shorts. Alright, if I was seriously about promoting this product, I would use shorts. But this is more of a test and to show you a very easy way to make money over than, like, you know, trying to actually make a ton of money with it. So yeah, that's all you need to do there, and it's really cool. It also has an AI content creation machine to help you with posts, articles, whatever it may be. It's fantastic. Right, so that's all there is to that. So what we're gonna do, guys, now we need a way to promote it in a very easy way, and that's where My Lead Gen Secrets come in. All right, so yeah, let's hit this. We're gonna hit members login for My Lead Gen Secrets. What is My Lead Gen Secrets? It's basically you get 100 leads every day that you can email once per day, and that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna select all our leads here. We're gonna use one of our old emails that we're gonna use here. I'm gonna go back here and pick up old email. Just gonna load up this. It's our next email here. We're just gonna use it real quick. It's the email we're gonna go with. Okay. You know what? We're gonna take out our picture here. Feel like our picture. Sometimes it works more, sometimes it don't. Let's try it without it for a while. Alright, so we're going perfect timing. They're gonna send an email around time people check emails. We're gonna make sure we preview it, make sure the link works. Does the link work? Yes, it does work, guys. Now if you guys are interested in the email that I'm particularly sending, you can go ahead and pause the video and copy it from right there and from right there. Alright, there you go. So anyway, guys, we're gonna send an email and we are done. It's very short, very quick, very concise and simple. And that's the method that I want to show you guys when it comes on this product and how easy it is to promote. Alright, so the idea is to figure out how well this works and how much money we can actually make doing it like this. I've shown that it works multiple times on multiple videos, but now I want to kind of try to count up how much money it actually makes me starting from scratch. it's one of those type of things you have to keep doing it in order to get sales. But it's a very easy and effective method. Like this video itself is only 5 minutes long, and that's me talking and showing you what to do and all that. Now if you guys were doing it, it'll take you even less time than that. Think about it like that. It's a very short method you can do early in the morning, quick, real quick, and start making money with it. Especially if you got a bunch of these accounts. I'm only using one account. Most people have about, I say 5 is what I go for. I go for about 5 accounts. If I was just starting and stuff and trying to test and see how well it works, I go with 5 accounts. 5 is a good number. Some people get 3. I think starting with 3 is good. Maybe 2 or 3 is good if you want to just start. But a lot of people have 7 accounts. That's what most people tend to stop at. I stop around that area. I personally have about 7 accounts as well. So that's where most people kind of stop at. Some people go as far as 10, 12, 15 accounts. But with my lead gen secrets, because it works so well for them. But I stop at 7. This is one of my accounts that doesn't perform that well. So I figure I make a YouTube channel just trying stuff out with it. Just to see, what works, what doesn't work. So if it works on this account, guys, it probably works on all accounts, because I got 7 accounts, so I got 7 case studies, so to speak, as to, hey, out of 7 accounts, this is the worst one. So that means, most accounts should be better than this one, is what I'm trying to get at. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. But like I stated before, I want to make sure I clarify that if you really want to promote this product for real, make shorts and post them on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and maybe even on X as well, Twitter, and keep posting them and stuff. You'll start getting sales, guys. Anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Doing something go viral, you'll get sales. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.